Alright, so do you have your trailer plug that's just hanging around, dangling? You don't have a bracket or anything? I'm going to show you what to do to fix that. What you got to do is go over to Amazon and get one of these. They probably sell it at trailer places and other stuff. It's by Curt. Part number is 58,000. I'll get you one of these. It's going to give you the bracket, hardware kit, and instructions, which nobody really reads. But yeah, it's pretty simple. I'll go ahead and get it slapped on, and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so what you're going to do first, I hope you can even frickin' see me. Probably can't see me, hopefully you can see this. So here's the bracket. 2 bolts. It's just going to sit on there just like that. Slide the bolts in. Just like that. And they give you little nylock nuts. Okay. So it does include spacers in the kit, which I think we're going to put on. Because then it, well, actually, I don't think those spacers will even, maybe one on the bottom. We'll grab the spacers and we'll see. So here's a little spacer. It's just got pre-drilled holes in it. Oh, I already put a nut on there. Yeah, I like that. All right, so if you're putting it on a GMC Sierra, well, actually, this isn't even the factory hitch anymore. But you might, I need a screwdriver. All right, so screwdriver, just might have to line it up a little bit. Get it in the right spot. Come on. There we go. Drops in. There we go. Alright, so it looks like one spacer on the bottom is perfect for my hitch. Put them screws on. Not screws. Nuts. Okay. And anytime I'm tightening anything, I like to think of my old buddy, Big Dan. Anytime I was tightening anything little, he would always say, don't kill it. There's no reason to kill this. Just snug them up. They're nylock, so they're not going to go anywhere. This one a little snug. Alright, so now, unplug your plug. Look at how perfect that is. We'll go ahead. We'll use the old nuts. Just like that. Tighten your nuts up, plug your plug in. Still have plenty of room to put your pin in. And you're able to get access to your safety chain hole. All while holding your plug in the best spot. It's not going to fall off. There you go. Okay, so one thing I forgot to add. The cool thing about this bracket, it also holds a 4-pin. So you see you got the lines. Those line up in here. And then you have a second bracket. I should have put a tripod on my phone. And it bolts in just like that. You sandwich it. In my case, I have one of these. Open the 7-way. Plug it in. And then you can do a 4-way. Wow, that's got some corrosion. That needs cleaned. But yeah, there you go. Just wanted to add that.